Learned Counsel appearing for the responding numbers 8 to 16 is said to have some personal difficulties to appear before the court today. And on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side, matter stands adjourned. Adjourned for the day.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Hello.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, claim for listing of a writ petition, Your Lordship. Matter pertains to correction of a date of birth, Your Lordship.
New case.
Not, no, admission,
Then you approach the registry.
because he's trying for entrance exam and competitive exam.
You approach the registry telling that there's urgency. They'll give you a date.
Lordship,
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship. In regard to item number 36,
36.
my lord, I have been communicated by the petitioners that so far the grievances of petitioners number 2 and 4 that has been redressed by the Assam University Authority. And so far petitioners number 1 and 3 are concerned. Though some surviving issues are there, but they are not interested to pursue this writ petition in isolation. They want to withdraw this with a liberty to file afresh. My lord, I have the communications with me. So I am praying that the writ petition may be withdrawn.
Your good name?
I am D. Chakravarti.
On the prayer of Mr. D. Chakravarti, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh, since there are some developments in the matter. In view of above, writ
Liberty
petitions.
in respect of 1 and 3.
It's okay. In view of above, the petition stands disposed of as withdrawn with liberty as paid for.
My lord, may I place this communications on record? May I give it to be kept on record?
Communication of,
The petitioners.
is it required?
If your lordship.
Not required, no.
My lord.
Oblige.
May I please, your lordship? Sir, declaration item 28, lordship. In this matter, lordship, I have instruction to file a fresh lordship. Lordship, I am praying for withdrawal, lordship, with liberty to file a fresh lordship.
28.
28, lordship.
Why do you want to withdraw?
Lordship, there are some defects in the petition, lordship,
Your good name?
including names, lordship, J. Abbas, lordship.
Mr. J. Abbas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that there are some clerical errors in the writ petition, and for which and therefore he prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Stop in view of above, writ petition stands disposed of as withdrawn with liberty as sought for.
I'm deeply obliged, lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
So with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 19 and 20 of today's list. Lordship. This matter may kindly be adjourned for the day, lordship. I have taken the consent of the other side.
You are for the,
I am for the respondent of 6.
why do you want adjournment?
So we have some difficulty, lordship, today.
J. Deka.
Only for two.
You are J. Deka.
SK Deka.
SK Deka. Mr. SK Deka, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 6, submits that he has some personal difficulties to conduct the case today and prays that the matter may be adjourned for the day. Stop. He also submits that he has taken the consent of the other side. Stop in view of above.
I'm for the petition.
Matter stands adjourned. We will decide again when. We'll give a date.
Any day on 23rd of 20.
No, what is? Okay. We will decide again on 24th.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 of the daily list.
Yes.
The engaged counsel, Mr. R. Chakraborty, has some personal difficulty. Oh,
So
let the matter come after 1 week.
what about the others? NP Barua, R.
R. Chakraborty,
HIP, S. Rabha.
they are not,
All of them are not keeping well, or what? There are 4 councils.
yes.
4 councils.
I have instruction from R. Chakraborty.
Okay, it is submitted to the bar that Mr. R. Chakraborty, the conducting counsel for the petitioner, is indisposed. He's not, he has some personal difficulties
Yes.
to appear before the court today. As paid for, the matter stands adjourned. We will list it again on so and so.
May I, lordship? I beg to mention, my lord, item 44 and 45, review petition, my lord. Yeah, my lord, the item 45 is not by your lordship, it is by Honorable Justice R. Fukon, my lord. Robin Fukon,
I see.
wrongly listed, my lord.
Item 44 and 45. registry to list the matter before the appropriate bench. Bench.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 55 of the supplementary list, lordship. The government has filed their affidavit in opposition, lordship. 1 week time may be granted to file our rejoinder.
55.
55, lordship.
Okay, as paid for by learned counsel.
K.
Mr.
Kashyap.
What's your name?
K. Kashyap, appearing on behalf of I.H. Soikia.
K. Kashyap, appearing on behalf of Mr. I. Saikia, counsel for the petitioner. 2 weeks time is granted for filing.
One week time, lordship, filing.
Okay, 1 week time is granted for filing rejoinder. List again on so and so.
Obliged, lordship.
Hey, please, your lordship, I would like to mention item number 12 of the daily list. Lordship, in this case, we need to file our affidavit in reply and also need to file an application for the amending the writ petition. Lordship, 2 weeks may be granted for the same.
As paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioners. 2 weeks time is granted to file rejoinder affidavit. List again on so and so.
Bless you.
May I please, lordship, I think 23 minutes, I'd like to mention some difficulty on our part when time for the respondents. And concern have been taken of the petitioners also and the other respondents.
Your good name?
Well, D. Gogoi.
You're for which respondent?
I'm for the Assam Agriculture University. 1 to 3 minutes.
Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the Assam Agriculture University, expresses some personal difficulty today. Personal difficulty to conduct case today. Stop on a made by him for adjournment and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again on so and so.
I'm grateful, man.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing, my lord, I'm in the verge of retirement, my lord, and department, my lord,
When are you retiring?
in April, my lord,
April.
April, my lord.
You approach the registry.
Yes, my lord, I filed the application, my lord, before the registry for,
When?
on Friday, Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
So you wait for some time.
Tuesday, no, Thursday, my lord.
Thursday only.
Thursday,
Today is Monday.
Monday.
Wait for some days, they'll list it.
Lordship, another, I beg to mention for list, item number 9, my lord.
Hmm.
Item number 9, this matter is related to civil bench 3, my lord. It is wrongly listed in
What is item 10?
item 9, my lord.
Just a minute. It's blank. 10 is blank.
Item 10, the equipment for state senate and atmosphere room.
No, why is it not listed in the cost list? It's blank.
This should have come before the division bench, lordship.
Do we need to pass any order? Item 9, what do you want to do?
Lordship, it is related to civil bench 3, my lord.
It is submitted at the bar that the matter pertains to a division, pertains to bench 3. Stop registry to verify and list accordingly. Then we have to pass any order. Number 10.
It is a fresh matter, my lord. Item number 9, my lord.
9 is over.
Most.
I'm talking about 10.
May it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 43 of daily list. Kindly pass over it for a week.
Why?
Item number 43 of daily list.
Why?
We have no instruction, lordship.
You are for the applicant.
Yes, lordship.
What do you mean no instruction? EFL IA, that is your instruction.
Sir, my senior
Who's your senior?
Tisham.
Ask him to come, ask her to come.
Then please, your lordship, I want to mention regarding listing of petition of 24 lordship for admission lordship. In the listing lordship, listing for admission.
Admission for listing, you go to the registry, please. You approach them. Make a request there. Yes. Next.
May it please, your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 47 of today's daily list.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, certain instructions are still pending on behalf of the department. That's why we're seeking for adjournment regarding to it.
How much time?
Lordship may give us 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks' time. We'll
Lordship,
pass the order when the matter reaches. There's an office note. I would like to have a look. All right.
Lordship,
As and when the matter reaches, you'll see. You are the standing counsel for
no,
health?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the standing council.
Who is the standing counsel?
Lordship, in this case, it will be B. Gogoi.
We'll see as and when the matter
Lordship,
reaches.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention a matter for listing.
New
Yes,
motion,
admission.
admission, you go to the registry. Make a request there.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
We consider back to mention item 50, your lordship. Due to the personal difficulty of
50.
Mr. UP Shalia, lordship, can it be adjourned for a week? 50, your lordship.
Who has difficulty?
UP Shalia, lordship.
For the applicant.
Yes, your lordship.
You're mentioning on his behalf.
Yes, on his behalf, your lordship.
Mr. UP Chaliha, learned counsel for the applicant, is said to have some personal difficulty to appear before the court today. On a prayer made on his behalf, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on so and so.
Oblige, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, item number 13, my lord. I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 7, my lord. This matter may kindly be adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord. I have taken consent from the other side, my lord.
Why do you want adjournment?
2 or 3 weeks, my lord. I have to file my reply, my lord.
Reply, you are the respondent.
My lord, I have been implemented newly, my lord, in this case.
So you'll file reply.
Yes, my lord.
You say counter affidavit.
My lord, I'm not in the matter, my lord. Not in this matter. I'm for a different. Counter affidavit.
It should be counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
The reply is to be filed by the
Yes,
petitioner.
my lord. Counter affidavit.
Mr. AMR Chaudhary, learned counsel for respondent number 7, submits that he has been newly engaged in the matter and prays for 2 weeks' time
Yes.
to file affidavit in opposition. Praise aloud. List again on so and so.
Oblige.
My lord, pray for listing of a content petition, my lord, which was taken up last in the month of July last year, my lord. Subject to your lordship's convenience, any date.
It's not a new matter, then you approach the registry for listing it.
I'm grateful, man. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Any other mention? All right. ठीक है.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing for item number 1 to 4. My lords, these petitions are filed owing to the inordinate delay for grant of promotion to the teachers from assistant teachers to associate professors, my lord. Similarly, placed assistant teachers has been granted the promotion in the CS scheme. My lord, however, today I'm under instructions that there is some positive developments going on the side of the department with regard to the consideration of their promotion, my lord. Under these circumstances, my lord, I pray that it would be appropriate if this matters be delayed for 2 weeks, my lord. After 2 weeks, it be taken up.
Assistant what? Professor?
From assistant professor to associate professor, my
Associate
lord.
professor. Your college teachers?
College teachers, my lord. Similarly placed have been granted those promotions.
You're Mr. J.C.
J. Singh, my lord.
Mr. J. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioners. In this bunch of writ petitions, submits that the grievance of the petitioners is being considered at the moment as per the instructions he has received, and therefore prays that the matter be deferred for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Your good name?
BC Musahari.
Mr. B.C. Musahari, learned counsel appearing for the
BTC.
respondent BTC has no objection. In view of above, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on sounds.
22. Obliged.
May please, regarding waiving of excess royal, my lord, in that regard, my lord, instruction are sought for earlier what they have done in view of the, my lord, the annexer Z. Annexer Z. Page 21, my lord.
So Bora, any instruction?
My lord, I have not received, my lord.
My lord, this is, my lord, lordship may dispose of in view of the Rafiq Mosi case, my lord, they will decide, my lord, whether waive, because the 10 years has passed, my lord, the woman is 70 years, my lord, without pension.
Yes,
come after 10 years, my lord. Can it be on Friday, my lord? Can it be on Friday? If not, I'm not able to, my lord, bring the instruction, lordship.
Okay, Friday. The PK Bora Learned Council for the Elementary Education Department submits that he is still awaiting instructions. And prays the matter be listed on Friday, 6/2/2026.
Obvious.
In view of above, list again on 6/2.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner has been working as, my lord, registered of IGNOU, my lord. My lord, there has been certain charges against him. There was an inquiry conducted, my lord. And as per the inquiry report, my lord, the authority found, my lord, the petitioner is partial guilty. Now, my lord, that is absolutely, my lord, based on no evidence. That is our, my lord, bone of contention, my lord, which violates Article 311 of the Constitution of India and other standing orders, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, my lord, now, my lord, by this, my
Okay,
lord,
what are you challenging?
my lord, we are challenging the inquiry report whereby the petitioner has been, my lord, is imposed penalty, my lord, partial guilty. Your lordship will find, my lord.
They imposed penalty on you
My lord,
on the inquiry report.
my lord, this
How
is
can it
the,
be?
my lord, the inquiry report is your lordship will.
Page.
Yes, my lord.
Inquiry report is inquiry report. How do they impose penalty on inquiry report? I don't
My lord,
understand.
your lordship kindly see, my lord. There is a charge, page annexure 23, page 108. My lord, there are irregularities, financial irregularities. They say, my lord, as per the inquiry, my lord, has been done by my director, my lord, the then director J.D. Kuba. He was the director of the region, Itanagar, my lord, but he expired. Thereafter, new incumbent, my lord, new regional director came. He, my lord, took charge after six months. Thereafter, your lordship will find, my lord, the inquiry has been conducted. This is the charge, my lord, and thereafter, annexure 25, my lord, page 122. We have, my lord, given statement of defense, denying all charges. My lord.
You take me to the inquiry report. Where's the inquiry report?
Yes, inquiry report, your lordship will find, my lord. Page, my lord, 142. Page 142.
Oh.
And page 150 is the relevant part, my lord, finding of the inquiry, my lord. Page 51. Article of charges. Has your lordship got it, my lord? Page 50. 150.
Oh. Yes.
Article of charges. Sri Nada Shah, Assistant Register, during his posting of Regional Center, Itanagar, IGNOU, has been involved in engaging. Well, this is the allegation. Engaging his wife, Mrs. Nada Mina, as daily wage staff, IGNOU Academy. Now, my lord, this is the finding. It is confirmed that Sri Nada Tado has extended undue favor in her appointment as daily wager. Then, my lord, next, it is not confirmed that appointment letter was issued by regional director that she was appointed as IGNOU Academy of Music. Now, my lord, this finding, my lord, with all respect, based on no evidence. My lord, if your lordship pleases
So-
to see,
So tell me, any penalty imposed upon you?
yes, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord, this is the penalty, my lord. It is confirmed.
This is not the penalty. This is an inquiry report.
This is the report, my lord. Against that, my lord, we have my lord, filed a representation thereafter. My lord,
So
they
after,
say
after representation, what has happened? Any penalty imposed upon you?
nothing has been done, my lord, till today, but my senior scale of pay, my lord, has been withheld. On the ground, my lord, there's some inquiry has been conducted on the basis of this report, my lord. That is my
So-
grievance. My lord, now similarly
No, no, no.
situated person,
No, just a minute.
my lord.
The inquiry has not concluded. That's it.
Inquiry, my lord, report has sent to me, my lord.
Report is there, but it has not been concluded till now because there's no penalty imposed upon you.
My lord, but your lordship kindly see page 130, 151, my lord. Next page. Bottom, my lord. Further, it is hereby conveyed that,
I've read it, Mr. Counsel.
my lord, within 7 days, you
Will-
file a representation. Then, my lord, page 152, file representation. Now, my lord, by filing this representation, my lord, they did not say anything on this representation. They kept quiet. Now, my lord, my grievance that my senior scale of pay, my lord, which I am entitled, and my similarly situated persons are getting, my lord, by annexure 26, your lordship will find
Page number?
page.
What are you otherwise?
My lord,
What is your post that you are holding?
my lord, assistant registrar. Guwahati Center, IGNOU, my lord.
Please write down.
Seniority list, my lord, page 11114.
Heart, Mr.
Page
Endhar.
114.
Your name is Endhar. What is your
I'm
name?
BK Shen, my lord.
See, in this case, I'm appearing for S number 1 lawsuit. We have no much rule otherwise lawsuit, just I pointed page 30 lawsuit,
Ah,
page 30.
I'm issuing notice.
Yes.
Lawsuit regarding pair portion lawsuit, it's a multiple pair lawsuit. Lawsuit, may kindly pause for a moment, whether lawsuit can. A distinct cause of action, all the pairs are distinct cause of action. Lawsuit. One is, first pair is regarding departmental proceeding. Second is lawsuit regarding scale of pay. Third is lawsuit promotion. Fourth is lawsuit pension. And
Not
fifth is
pension. Where is the, where is the pension comes?
Fifth is lawsuit transfer lawsuit.
No, my lord, these all are, we have filed, my lord, a representation that has not been considered. my lord.
That multiple pairs.
Not multiple, my lord, same subject matter. My lord,
আপুনি পিছত ক'ব না, মোক কৈ ল'ব দিয়ক। Whether lordship,
you are
whether-
misleading the court.
whether lordship, their distinct pair can be lordship, considered in a lordship. Not the same cause of action lordship, they're distinct cause of action lordship, completely different cause of action lordship.
It's an all-in-one writ petition.
Lordship, mean a one writ petition.
No,
That
my lord,
part-
they-
that
my
part
lord,
lordship
your
has
lordship, my grievance is, my lord,
How many
senior,
grievance do you have? How many grievance do you have?
my lord, my senior scale of pay has been withheld, whereas similarly situated persons are getting, my lord.
Okay.
That is my
That is one.
grievance. That is one, my lord.
Another?
And my promotion is also due, my lord. That is also not
Another one.
considered.
And another? See, if you see the prayer portion.
But basic grievance is that, my lord, senior scale of pay I am not getting. my
See,
lord. That
Mr.
is
Gogol,
withheld out.
right? See, if you see the writ, you see your prayer portion, you've got so much prayer.
Correct, my lord, but that may not be, my lord, that will be during course of the argument, my lord, I'll satisfy whether that can be your lordship will consider or not. But my grievance at this moment, my lord, that senior scale of pay which, my lord, my similarly situated persons are getting, my lord, I am denied, my lord, only because of this saying that there is an inquiry pending.
So that's why your prayer should be first thing first. Your prayer should be to for a direction to conclude the inquiry drawn against you
That your lord,
within that time frame.
that it's,
That should be your first and foremost prayer.
no, that,
After conclusion, if they penalize you, you may not be getting senior scale also after all. But if they say that there's nothing against you, then immediately you should get the benefit.
my lord, report says that there is nothing, my lord. As your lordship prima facie find, my lord, there is, my lord, they say engagement of my wife by me. My lord, I have done undue favor in respect of the engagement of my wife, my lord. But that is not,
let
that is
them
not correct, my lord.
let them take a conclusion. Let them take a decision.
My lord. That is,
I will-
my lord, your lordship.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
I'm thinking of disposing of this repetition just now. With liberty to you to raise other grievances at the appropriate time. As of this stage, you say that the inquiry has not the disciplinary proceeding is not completed, as it appears. I'll direct them to complete it within a time frame and take a decision. And thereafter, if any cause of action arises, you are at liberty to come again.
But prima facie, your lordship will find, my lord, that the
It is-
allegation that has been leveled, my lord. The allegation, my lord, your
No,
lordship.
no, that is
the
not for-
appointment letter that has been
That is not
issued.
for this court to judge
My lord,
at
your
this stage.
lordship, kindly have a look, my lord.
Please be reasonable, Mr. Counsel.
My lord.
Don't come up with all such kind of, mixed up writ petition like that.
No, this is not mixed up, my
Mixed
lord.
up.
This all prayers, my lord. in the
Otherwise, I
writ-
will reflect in the order I'm going to pass. You just go by what I'm saying. You confine your prayer to the departmental inquiry, report has been made, and you say that it has been partially proved, and there's no material, whatever it may be,
My lord,
let the authority take a decision.
my lord.
It is within their domain to take a decision.
Correct.
And whether the decision is correct or not, that we'll see. Right? As of today, there is no decision.
My lord.
I mean, there's no final decision. So
There's no penalty, as your lordship.
right, let there be a final decision
My-
within time frame. And if you are aggrieved, you can come back. And plus other factors like you should get the old pension, not the new pension, and then you should get the scale of pay. Others are not getting, others are getting, you're not getting. These things will come later on. So as on today, let us
My lord, vigilance,
fine.
vigilance clearance.
that also.
Oh,
Again,
my lord, vigilance
you want
clearance.
vigilance clearance.
Vigilance clearance is also not there, my lord, because of this, my lord. Now I am, my lord, denied to, my lord, for better opportunity, better scope, better job, my lord. That is also, my lord.
What is your good name?
B.K. Shen.
Heard Mr. V.K. Shen, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. K. Gogoi, learned standing counsel.
I am for one lordship, CGC.
Learned CGC, appearing for respondent number 1. Anybody else who will appear today? No. Stop. Having regard to the grievance projected by the petitioner, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. Next para. On perusal of the prayer portion of the writ petition, it is seen that the petitioner has made multiple prayers. And therefore, upon due consideration, this court is inclined to entertain this writ petition at this stage solely on the ground taken that the departmental proceeding has not concluded yet. Next para. The petitioner is working as assistant registrar at IGNOU Regional Center, Guwahati. And on account of certain allegation made against him, departmental inquiry was initiated against him by issuance of memorandum dated 29/2023, bracket annexure 23. Consequently, the departmental proceeding consequently, the inquiry officer submitted a report. So where's the report?
My lord, report,
Yes, the report on
page 150, my lord.
what is the date?
Yes, daytime, my lord. Is 3rd of 6/2024.
Hmm? And submitted his report on 3/6/2024,
Correct.
concluding that the article of charge was partially proved. Stop. The petitioner was then furnished with a copy of the inquiry report on white letter dated 7/6/2024, bracket annexure 36, requiring him to submit a representation against the same, if so desired, within 7 days from the date of receipt of the letter. So the petitioner then submitted his representation on 9/6/2024.
My lord, it is 1/6/24, my lord. Enquiry report date.
Okay, inquiry report date. I said 3/6, no, earlier. Make it 1/6.
1/6.
Submitted his representation to the disciplinary authority on 9/6/2024.
My lord, 7/6/2024.
Page number,
Page 151.
what is 152?
15296, correct, my lord.
No, 151 is they furnishing you, that is already over. Now comes your reply.
Correct.
Your reply dated is 9/6.
9/6, correct.
That's what I'm saying. Submitted his reply on 9/6/2024 before the disciplinary authority. But despite the same, the disciplinary authority has not taken further, has not taken any further steps to conclude the departmental proceeding. Stop. In the meantime, the petitioner, those who are junior to the petitioner have been given the senior scale of pay, while the petitioner has been deprived, purportedly on the ground of the pending departmental proceeding. Next para. Taking note of the above position, this court is of the considered view that the authority concerned should complete the process of departmental inquiry in terms of the relevant rules and provision.
I don't may kindly indicate that if not completed, that's before.
If not already completed in the meantime.
Yes, yes.
But before that, you write, in accordance with the rules and provisions, within a period of, what should be the reasonable time? 2 months?
2 months, Lordship.
Within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. If not already completed in the meantime.
If completed, then complete.
Stop. It is also made clear that if the inquiry report has been acted upon by passing of appropriate order, the same shall be communicated to the petitioner without delay. Stop. The other grievances raised by the petitioner in the instant writ petition is kept open for consideration.
If you file a proper petition, Lordship, Lordship may indicate.
Subject to filing
My lord,
appropriate petition in that regard.
my lord, annexure 38, my lord, page 153, my lord.
What is there? What is there? I have disposed of.
That is, my lord, representation for payment of, my lord, senior scale of pay as well as vigilance clearance.
That will come later on. First, concentrate on the DP. Next.
May I please your lordship, this writ petition is SLR dismissal order dated 22/08/2025 passed against the petitioner after disciplinary proceeding, which is initiated by gross violation of natural justice and principles of settled principles of service jurisprudence.
Page number,
Lordship, page annexer P, Lordship, is dismissal order.
page number is annexer P.
No, annexer P is
Give me the page number.
Yes, Lordship, 66. 66, Lordship. Lordship, may I read the 67 his order imposed. Now thereby in view of the findings, Lordship, what happened? The petitioner is an assistant professor of Goalpara College, nearly 18 years of unblemished service. His dismissal order rests on a acceptance of a mechanical acceptance of a fault inquiry report, where the listed witness were non-examined, Lordship. In Choko's report dated Lordship, in Choko's notice dated 3/4/2025, there are 10 specific witnesses, but none of the witnesses were examined. Therefore, petitioner was deprived from the cross-examination, Lordship, and disciplinary authority imposed major punishment from dismissal from service. Lordship, at this stage, I only pray for notice, Lordship.
Okay, your good name?
R. Kakoti.
Miss R. Kakoti, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the speaking order dated
22/8/2000.
22/8/2025, bracket annexure P, by which the petitioner who is working as
Assistant Professor,
assistant professor
Goalpara College. in
of
the
Goalpara
Department of
College in the Department of
English.
English,
Yes, Lord.
has been dismissed from service. After withdrawal of department proceeding. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that the materials on record clearly goes to show that the charges against the petitioner has not been proved. What is your grievance regarding the witnesses?
Witnesses were never examined, Lordship, by the inquiry.
No witnesses.
No witnesses, Lordship. There are 10 witnesses in the chokers, but none of them were examined.
Then on what basis they concluded?
Yes, Lordship. They collect the report behind the back of the petitioner. They have not given. There is a gap. There is a lapse of procedural.
Full stop. She submits that there is serious procedural lapses on the part of the departmental authorities, and the cited witnesses have also not been examined. Next paragraph for above, issue notice of motion returnable by 6 weeks. Mr.
See, I am
K. Gogoi,
one Lordship.
CGC.
I be about assistant number 1.
Okay, before that, you write, Mr. G. Pegu, learned counsel, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1.
I am for 20, Lordship.
While Mr. K. Gogoi. Learned standing counsel, higher education accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2 and 3. For petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 and 5 by speed post within 3 days. Extra copies be furnished to the learned counsels appearing today for the respondents within 2 days.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, for timing, my senior leg put number 8, Lordship, after some time.
Time be. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? The lordship, the matter pertains to pro rata pension, your lordship. The petitioner has served the government of Assam for more than 20 years, almost 21 years. And then he joined service under central government in Assam University. So he is claiming the pension of that period, your lordship. And this is the second round of litigation. Earlier, during the pendency of the writ petition, the impugned order at page 82 was passed, your lordship. So we are challenging the impugned order at Annexure 21, page 82.
82.
82. At this stage, notice may be issued. Your-
Where is the first case order?
Yes, your lordship.
The first round?
The first round order at 83, your lordship. Operative at 85, your lordship.
Petitioner was working as what?
He was working as a professor at Assam University, a central university, your lordship.
In which department?
Before joining the central university, he was serving under Assam government. Page number 4 may be seen, your lordship.
Assam government as what?
As assistant teacher, then assistant professor.
Where was he working?
He was at page 4, your lordship. Para 2, initially appointed as subject teacher of zoology under the government of Assam and joined on 11/9/1975 at Ramakrishna Vidyapit HS School, Ramakrishna Nagar, Karimganj. Then he joined nursing HS School, Silchar on 15/9/1976. Then he joined GC College, Silchar on 2/4/1987. Then he joined Assam University on 22/4/1996. And from Assam University, he did.
Assam University is also in Silchar.
Assam University is also in Silchar. So before joining Assam University as Central University, he has served Assam government for more than 20 years. Your lordship.
Please write down. Part Mr.
R.A. Mazumdar. Your lordship.
R.A. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner initially was working under the government of Assam as a teacher. Thereafter, he joined the Assam University. And therefore, his claim is for grant of pro rata pension. Stop. The earlier writ petition filed by the writ petitioner, that is WPC number 261 of 2022, was disposed of on 26/5/2025. In view of the fact that the application for grant of pro rata pension had been rejected by the respondent authority concerned by way of passing a speaking order. What is the date?
25/10/2024.
On 25/10/2024. So therefore, the writ petition was disposed of with liberty to the petitioner to challenge the same. Accordingly, the petition is again before this court through the instant writ petition, challenging the review and order dated 25/10/2024, bracket annexure 21. Next para, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. A.R. Tahvildar, Lanet,
Respond number 1 and 4 Lord.
Standing Counsel,
Higher education,
Higher Education accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 4.
1 and 4. And I am appealing for 2 and 5 Lordship.
Mr. P.P. Datta, Lanet,
Secondary education, 2 and
Standing Counsel, Secondary Education, accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2 and 5.
2 and 5.
Mr. G. Pegu, Learned Government Advocate, accept notice on behalf of respondent number 3, and Miss E. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel, accept notice on behalf of respondent number 6. What remains now? AG.
Of 7, please.
AG.
7.
Nobody is there today. AG.
R. Talukdar was here.
You inform him. Mr. R. Talukdar, Learned Counsel, accept notice on behalf of the respondent number 7. Notice is complete. Extra copies within 3 days. List again after 4 weeks. All the records. On so and so. Give a date. 5/3.
Obliging.
Respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime.
Obliging.
Sorry, Lordship, I was busy in another.
It's okay. What is your
Lordship, this
case?
Matter relating to Lordship, claiming of old pension Lordship.
Old pension.
Old pension Lordship, husband of the petitioner Lordship. He was appointed on 14/5/2005 to 14/7/2005. But selection process was initiated in the year 1999. Select list was published on that year also. Subsequently, Lordship, some dispute was arose, a writ petition was filed. That writ petition was disposed of, directing the authority to issue appointment order within 1 month. That was in the year 2003. But appointment was made on 14/7/2005. So under similar circumstances, Lordship.
And when the line was drawn, old pension, new pension?
My Lord, the EPO Lordship kindly come to page
2005 Lordship. 1/2/2005. Any entrance after 1st of February 2005, they will be governed by the new pension scheme. And before that will be the old pension scheme. The notification.
1/2/2005.
Correct.
That
So
was
your grievance basically is that process started early.
Yes, yes.
Because of some reason or the other, appointment came later on.
Yes, marginally beyond that.
So you should be getting old pension because of that.
Lordship.
Because delay was not on your behest.
My Lord,
delay was because of some complication.
incumbent
That is your case.
expired on 8/3/2014.
Expired.
Expired. Now wife Lordship has come. My Lord, wife has come for pension Lordship. My Lord, she is also receiving the special pension, that is Lordship, in terms of an office memorandum. Something is Lordship, some amount she is receiving.
He died in harness. Husband
Yes, died in hand.
died in harness. So it's compassionate family pension.
No, Lordship, that after Lordship, that was the date Lordship 1/4/2017 regarding Lordship compassionate family pension. But prior to that, so she will not cover that. She is receiving in terms of an office memorandum dated 14, Lordship, that is your Lordship will find page 32, 14 January 2016. She is receiving presently, Lordship, a lump sum amount she is receiving.
Under what provision?
Lordship, page 32. In terms of this office memorandum, we approached this honorable court also. This honorable court also directed to provide her the benefit in terms of that office memorandum. Accordingly, she is receiving.
What is this OM?
Page
NPS.
32.
This is new pension scheme.
Yes, Lordship. That is the notification.
Only the person, Lordship, who were appointed after 1/2/2005 and expired after that. So she his family member is entitled to some amount, Lordship, in terms of this ovation amount.
So this OM's created a bar.
My lord.
There's a bar. There's a bar because of the OM.
Yes. No, not bar, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, that was provided in terms of under the Lordship, the service whose falls under NPS. So they will entitled to get that pension in terms of that OM. OM is not a bar at this in respect of the petitioner, Lordship.
Why not? Your
Because-
appointment.
That Lordship, that OM benefit is given because his service was, her husband's service was taken under NPS. That's why this, that's why there's.
No, Mr. Khan, why getting confused? Husband was appointed on 14/7/2005. The NPS covers to those appointees who have been
1/2/2005.
appointed after 1/2/2005.
So
you are appointed after that cutoff date. So automatically you are covered under the NPS.
NPS. That is why, Lordship, in terms of that official memorandum, some benefit is providing to her. But now we are claiming that no, actually, Lordship, she is entitled the benefit under old pension scheme.
Why?
In terms of Lordship, there this is settled. The Honorable Supreme Court in various judgment and our High Court, Lordship, I have given one cover.
If it is settled, why do you come to the court?
My lord,
If it is already settled, why do you come to the court? You write one letter to the authority saying that it is a settled law, give me pension, whole
no,
pension.
Lordship, yes, whatever she is entitled, that should be provided to her. Because in terms, subsequent Lordship, several judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court and our High Court, Lordship, I have annexed one covered judgment, page 36.
No.
If the vacancy is, Lordship.
Judgment will
and
come
selection
later on.
process.
So I think what basically you're trying to say is that process was initiated
My lord.
before the introduction of the new pension scheme.
So
appointment came later on, maybe. But since process was started before that, so I should get the benefit of the old
my lord,
pension scheme.
that
is the sum and substance.
The settled law is that if the vacancy is, Lordship, against the incumbent is appointed, is prior to that, and selection process was initiated prior to that, and due to some reason the appointment could not be made, so they are entitled. So, Lordship,
show me that law. Where is that?
Page 36, Lordship, this is a cover judgment, Lordship. And relevant, your Lordship will find at page 17, para 17 and.
What was this matter regarding?
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, they were appointed, their selection process was initiated in the year 1996. And appointment were made in the year 2011. They fall under the category of NPS. These are not.
But where is the facts?
Lordship, facts.
Page 37.
Page, Lordship, page 45, para 2.
45.
Page 45.
I think you had taken me to page 36.
No, Lordship, this is another judgment. Cover judgment is start from, Lordship, page 42. My lord, operative part, direct
No,
part is at
Mr. Khan,
lordship.
if you are trying to draw a similarity of your case with this case,
Well,
one aspect of the matter which you should keep in mind is that this case has got a checkered history. The petitioners had come to the court again and again
Lordship, yes.
for results, this, that.
Lordship.
Is that your case? I don't think so.
During his lifetime, Lordship, he never approached for the court.
my lord,
It has
in this
expired on
case,
14 and it has been 12 years, Lordship. Is there?
in this case, lordship, we approached this honorable court for appointment. That direction was given in the year 2003. I have annexed that order also, lordship.
In this case,
Yes,
you had also come before the court earlier. Where's your case? This is not the first round.
my lord.
This is not the first round.
No,
Your
that was for appointment. No,
In your case,
no.
how many times have you come before the
Lordship,
court?
earlier I approached before this honorable court
For what?
for a benefit under that OM, lordship, 16 OM.
Huh.
14/1/2016 OM.
Huh.
Accordingly, this honorable court directed to provide them.
Huh.
Accordingly, they are providing.
Ah,
I am receiving that.
then
Now, lordship, we have come because
you want benefit under the separate scheme again.
yes, because
Now, how
petitioner.
can you come like that again and again?
Lordship,
Lordship,
Lordship
the-
may go through page 30, Lordship. There's the judgment with my learned friend, the earlier round of litigation, Lordship. Farhana Khanam,
What is the name of the petitioner?
Farhana Khanam.
Okay.
Lordship. Page 20, page 30, Lordship, third paragraph, Lordship. There's an observation over there, Lordship. It says there is no dispute that the service of the petitioner comes under the new defined pension scheme. There's an observation, Lordship. And therefore, he will not come under the purview of Assam service pension rules. That observation is already there. Now, my learned friend has come here asking for.
because lordship, kindly come to page 9 para 12. I have explained why we have come because yeah,
No, your explanation will not do. There's an order of the court which has to be overwritten by another appellate court.
my lord, at that time the petitioner was not aware that
You have to
his
be-
actual entitlement, lordship.
You have to be fair, Mr.
Because-
Khan. See, you're coming to the writ court
My-
for justice. You should be fair.
No.
These are the things which happened.
Everything, lordship, I have made on record.
No,
Every-
see, that is why this part you have not read out. There is no dispute that the service of the petitioner comes under the new defined pension scheme 2009,
Madam.
and therefore he will not come under the purview of Assam Services Pension Rules 1969.
My
This
lord,
is against you. This is damaging,
my lord,
considering your prayer today.
lordship, my submission would be there on that. Number one, lordship, petitioner is not aware
You
that
are-
his,
you are-
her actual entitlement. Secondly,
You are asking this court to take a different view from a coordinate bench. Is it possible? I think you know very well what is the answer.
my lord, subsequently, lordship, the honorable Supreme Court held that if the vacancies is prior to that, selection process is initiated prior to that cut-off date. So their case will be covered under the old pension scheme.
That is another aspect of the matter, but this comes in your way.
Whether the petitioner is actually entitled or not, that is to be determined.
No.
Because earlier occasion, he has come with a understanding that he is entitled for that only.
Due to this order, Lordship, bringing on the new.
That order, my lord, my humble submission cannot be barred to provide the benefit under this old, if she is entitled, lordship.
I'm
Otherwise,
sorry, I'll have to reject your writ petition at this stage itself.
Let him go under review.
my lord, at this stage, your lordship may issue notice.
I'll dispose it out
Oh, your lordship,
because of this.
your lordship may.
Then you may file appeal if you want.
My lord,
We'll see.
there is a latest decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, perhaps in 2022 or 23, lordship. Lordship, or your lordship may take up this matter after today's lordship. I will place that or judgment also. Lordship. Because, and in fact, otherwise, lordship, this case is squarely covered by the judgment of this Honorable Court, lordship, in case.
No. Not squarely covered.
Only because, lordship, she.
It may have been covered without this, but we don't know. Now,
Only
with
because
this, we
she
cannot
came
speak.
before this honorable court earlier, taking the for benefit of 2016, she should
Heard
not be
Mr.
deprived.
M.
lordship.
Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss
NM Sharma.
N.M. Sharma for the Secondary Education Department, and Mr. A. Chaliha, learned counsel for the Finance, Finance Department, is it?
For 2 and 4.
Mr. G. Pegu, London Government Advocate, for respondent numbers 2 and 4. And anyone else? No one else. Musar is there? No. Stop. Having regard to the grievance projected by the petitioner, the same is taken up for disposal at this stage. Next para, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner, who is the widow of the late government servant, prays for family pension under the old pension scheme, that is the Assam Services bracket pension rules, 1969. Stop. She is otherwise getting pension as per the new defined contribution or contributory.
No,
NPS full form?
new defined contributory.
New defined contributory pension scheme, 2009, which has been applied with effect from 1 to 2005. Now, Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel, has tried to impress upon the court that since the selection process for appointment of the husband of the petitioner was initiated way back in 1999, but culminated into his appointment only on 14/7/2005, in view of the various decisions of the apex court, since the process has already been started prior to the introduction of the new pension scheme, the petitioner would squarely be governed by the old pension scheme. Stop. He therefore praised for appropriate direction to the respondent authorities to grant the petitioner pension, family pension as per the old pension scheme. Next para. It is noticed that the petitioner had earlier approached this court by filing WPC number 2261 of 2016, which came to be disposed of by order dated 8/6/2016, bracket Annexure 7. Stop. This court, by disposing of the writ petition, had directed the respondents to grant her the pension, to grant her family pension under the new defined contributory pension scheme of 2009 within a time frame. Stop. It was importantly observed that there was no dispute that the service of the petitioner, service of the petitioner's husband comes under the new defined contributory pension scheme 2009, and that he will not come under the purview of the Assam Service Pension Rules 1969. So situated thus, it would not be open in the considered view of this court for the petitioner to now seek family pension under the old pension scheme. Since the petitioner admittedly has not challenged the observations so made, and the said order had in fact been acted upon by granting the petitioner the family pension as per the new pension scheme, which is clearly admitted by the petitioner herself. Stop. under the circumstance, I find no ground to entertain this writ petition. Same stands dismissed. Next.
Order section 35.
$35. No one. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Yes, anything to say?
No, your lordship. I'm for 5 to 8, your lordship.
5 to 8. You don't want to file affidavit also?
Lordship, we need to file it. I have to seek instructions also.
Huh? When will you seek instructions?
Lordship, it's a long pending matter and.
That's what. It have filed by now, 2015 matter.
Yes, your lordship.
Mr. Your good name?
S. Gautam, your lordship.
S.
Gautam,
Gautam Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
5 to 8.
5 to 8. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. Stop. Since the matter is of 2015, the respondent shall ensure filing of the affidavit by the next date. List again on so and so.
Your lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the grievance arrayed in the writ petition, the petitioner has made during the pendency of the writ petition. Therefore, the petitioner doesn't wish to praise this writ petition. Furthermore,
Doesn't want to press. I see.
sorry.
What? Petitioner doesn't want to press.
Yes,
What is the prayer otherwise in the writ petition?
the writ petition was regarding suspension of school committee, managing committee.
What is your good name? Your name?
B. Parasar. I'm appearing on behalf of P. Bharadwaj.
Miss P. Parasar.
B. Parasar.
B. Parasar.
Yes.
Learned Counsel appearing for on behalf of Mr.
P. Bharadwaj.
P. Bhardwaj.
Yes. Lordship.
Submits that she has received instructions to the effect that the petitioner does not wish to, the petitioners, yes, petitioners do not wish to press the writ petition any further. Considering the same, the writ petition stands disposed of as not pressed. In terms of order passed earlier, if any, stands vacated.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. P.K. Das, my lord. For the petitioner, my lord. Kindly see your lordship order, my lord, last order, my lord.
Yes, no one appeared. What happened last time?
On the last occasion, now you appear, my lord.
Yes, why did you not appear last time?
No, I am not the council, my lord. The council is
So the council doesn't want to appear
Lordship.
because last time he did not appear.
Lordship.
He's afraid that the court will scold him.
Lordship.
Huh? What is your submission?
On the last occasion, my lord, your lordship directed the respondent number 1, 3 and 4, my lord. They have 3 and 4 have submitted some documents, my lord, to the before the respondent number 1, but they have stated that we have not received the same, my lord. Your lordship is reflected, my lord, on 9/1/2026, my lord.
Yes,
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, the letter dated 7/1/2026 was received by the Assam University on 13th of January, and accordingly, we've transferred all the required documents to the Inspector of Schools, your lordship.
when
Lordship, after receiving the data,
when did you transfer?
I'm not aware of the exact date, your lordship,
When?
but after receiving the order on the 13th, all the documents have been transferred, your lordship, along with the equivalent bank details of the universities for the transfer of the pro rata pension benefits, your lordship.
Okay, what is to be done? What was the direction of the court? For pension?
Yes, your lordship. Now, the stand of the university is that the pro rata pension benefits needs to be calculated by the Inspector of Schools and then transferred to the Assam University.
What is your good name?
P. Upadhyay, your lordship.
Ms. P. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
1, your lordship.
1 submits that after receipt of the letter dated 7/1/2026 from the
13th of January, your lordship.
from whom?
From the Inspector of Schools.
From the Inspector of Schools? Which inspector?
Respondent 3 and 4, my lord.
Inspector of Schools, there are many of them. Which inspector particular?
Respondent 4, my lord.
Respondent number 4.
This
Mrs.
Inspector of Schools, Kachar,
Yes, your lordship.
on 13/1/2026. All the requisite
Documents.
documents have been furnished to the said authority. And it is, when was that furnished? You don't know the
The
date.
exact date, I don't. We received the letter on the 13th of January, your lordship. So after that.
Then, but how, on what instructions do you submit like that?
Lordship, as per the verbal instructions from the university, that the documents have been transferred to.
But at least the date should be given to us, no? Had been, what did I say? Last line? Not on 7/1, huh? Dated, you guys said that. Dated 7/1/2000. All the documents as required has been sent back to the school inspector for further necessary action. So who appears for this respondent? Inspector of Schools.
Yes, earlier SMT 60 was appearment. 38.
38.
Number 4, Mrs. Samira Yasmin. This one.
Earlier one.
I'm appearing for respondent number 4, SMT 60.
Yes. What is your submission? Stop. It is seen that Mr. SMT Chisti, Learned Counsel, represents respondent numbers 3 and 4.
Sujata.
Next para list again on so and so. Give a date. 19/2. Mr. SMT Chisti shall inform the court about the steps taken by the respondent number 4 by the next date.
Pass.
Publish.
39.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, affidavit is required to be filed, Lordship. It has not been filed yet.
What about the
matter-
respondent number 5? Please write, Lavazima Court's order dated 4/2/2025 indicates that AD card has returned back from respondent number 5. Stop accordingly, notice is complete on respondent number 5. Stop. Mr. Your good name?
Lordship N.A. Majar Bhuya.
N.A.
Majar Bhuya.
Majar Bhuya, Learned Counsel, appears for the petitioner. And what about the others? Respondents?
Yes.
Mr. Chisti, you're there? Secondary?
You had the second data.
Secondary, as per the
Yes, for 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Yes, yes.
3 is UGC, 4 is NCTE.
UGC normally Samoa, he appears for UGC docket. A Samoa.
Mr. SMT Chisti Learned Counsel appears for respondent numbers 1 and 2 and prays for 3 weeks time to obtain instructions to file counter affidavit. Praise allowed. None appears for the respondent numbers 3, 4, and 5. Stop. Since the matter pertains to the year 2020, respondents shall file their counter affidavit on or before the next date. List again, and so and so. Make it a bit further. Give it a bit further. 25.
Lordship, in this matter also, service has been completed, which has been reflected from the postal consignment report, Lordship.
This is right. Upon perusal of the Lavazima Court's order dated 23/5/2025, notice is accepted to be complete upon respondent number 4. Yes.
I'm appearing for secondary education.
Have you filed affidavit? Not yet.
Not yet.
Who's number 3? Respond number 3. Director, Education Borderland, BTC. You have filed. Huh? You're not aware that you have filed affidavit also?
We already filed it. Posted judge.
There's already an affidavit filed by respondent number 3. BTC. You're not aware about that. You're paying for time still. Apart from the respondent number 3, the other respondents have not filed their counter affidavit. As paid for by Mr. P. Das, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. Further 3 weeks time is granted. File counter affidavit. List again.
We responded 1 and 2.
Lordship, just a simple pair, Lordship, we may be furnished a extra copy of the affidavit in opposition which has been filed by the respondent number 3, Lordship.
List again on 27/2. You have an extra copy? Extra copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 3, be furnished to the council for the petition.
Give my number. Just PDF me. It's very bulk. Deeply obliged. PDF का दे देगा ना जल्दी ऐसे ले
Made, please, your lordship. Last occasion, my lord, by order dated 8/12/2025, my lord. Our learned friend, Mr. D. Upominna, man. Higher Education Department, he wish time to granted place instruction as he has submitted that application petition have already paid their salaries. list the matter after a week.
Lordship, DU Pomanna is code number 10, Lordship. I have talked to him, he has telephonic instruction that all the area payment has been paid. And he pay for only 2-3 days to submit the written instruction, Lordship. And this is on DU Pomanna, Lordship. He's on code number 10, Lordship. We have telephonic instruction that the area has been paid, Lordship. And he want to submit the written.
You'll have it on Friday then? Friday.
Yes, yes.
Friday.
Mr.
M.
I'm S. Bhuya.
Mr. S. Bhuya, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Upamanya,
Lordship.
Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department submits that Mr. D. Upamanya has received telephonical instruction that the area salary of the petitioner has
What
been
he said.
duly paid. He however prays for 3 days' time to obtain written instructions in this regard.
All are grade 4
So
appointed.
Mr. N.
by-
Bora, learned counsel appears for the petitioners. Let's take it on Friday, huh?
This particular period was earlier period, area period was given, but till now when they again stopped, my lord. All our court gates, Sokidar, peon,
Friday,
sweeper,
Lord.
my lord, that's right.
They say
Friday,
they've been paid, so we'll let them bring the records on
Much obliged.
the instruction by written.
If your lordship may kindly allow me 10 days time to file our affidavit on behalf of response number 3. I file my call number, lordship.
Respond number
One-
3.
Yes, please. One is already been retired, expired long back, lordship. That has to be implemented. They have to file implementing petition, lordship. So by response number 1 is concerned.
Who will file? Number 3 will file.
Number 3, I have filed my call number.
Mr. SMT Chisti Learned Counsel submits that he'll be appearing for respondent number 3. And he has already filed his power. And prays for, and he prays for
10 days, 10 days time.
10 days time. To file the show cause reply in the form of an affidavit. Praise the Lord.
And response number all, so far as 1 is concerned, C has already been expired long back. So there is an.
I'll do my, in the meantime, I'll file this. Date may kindly be fixed.
It is submitted at the bar that respondent number 1 has already expired. Petitioner may take necessary steps if so advised. List again on so and so.
Lordship, Mr. P. Naik appears for respondent 2, your lordship.
6th. 6th, list again on 6-3.
P. Naik for contender number 2, your lordship.
2. What about the reply? Show cause.
File a reply, your lordship.
The direction was issued for the education department to pass a speaking order. We have moved to this stage.
Okay, Mr. P. Nayak, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 2 submits that direction was issued to the secondary education department for passing a speaking order.
Elementary.
And therefore,
Elementary.
elementary education department, and therefore respondent number 2 has no role at this stage.
Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
This, my journal was short, no?
Please, your lordship, kindly pass over it for a
Pass it over for
week.
1 week.
Yes, lordship.
Such a long passover. Where is Miss T. Som?
Some sleeps on another call.
She's in another code. I had asked you to bring her when you mentioned in the morning. T. Som appears for which respondent?
Pankaj Tekar.
Hmm?
Pankaj Tekar.
T. Som appears for petitioner. What is this matter? Interlocuted application. 34th of years. Okay, what about the respondents? Who's appearing? Yes. Should we allow the application? Hmm?
By this, I am to pay one.
Correct. They're seeking for a direction to keep some post vacant. CRCC, what is CRCC?
Cluster resource person.
Cluster Resource.
Cluster resource center coordinator.
30 posts together. Now, what is there in the writ petition? Just give me the writ petition.
There is nothing. Their include order is space 43.
No idea. SSC Iho. I'm appearing on behalf of P Nayak, SSC.
Where is your affidavit? Only appearance will not do. You have to file your reply also.
Which time will be granted to us, your lordship, to file the affidavit?
Elementary education. Then SSA.
SSC, mission director, a respondent, I'm appearing for respondent 3 and 4.
So say the appropriate reporting on this and include order also issued by the chairman.
Yes, miss, what do you want? Adjournment? Why? Where is Miss T Som? She's in another court.
Yes.
She's not coming.
We also need to file our affidavit, your lordship. Kindly grant us 2 weeks' time.
Please write Miss T Som, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Public applicants is said to be on legs in a different court. And therefore, some time has been sought on our behalf for adjournment. No, and therefore, an adjournment has been sought on our behalf. So it is seen that the respondents, Elementary Education Department, as well as the SSA, have not filed their counter affidavit yet. As paid for by Ms. P. Das on behalf of P. Naik and Mr. P. K. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file their counter affidavit and also objection to the IA. If so advised, make it a common order, IA and the petition.
Deeply obliged.
List again also.
May it please your lordship. As per the last order, my lord, of the office note 7/4/2025, I have already taken service of Dusty upon respondent number 7. And thereafter they were supposed to file affidavit. None has appeared for respondent number 7. But the state, the health department of the state has to file the affidavit, my lord.
Dusty you have filed, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Affidavit.
Yes, my lord, it has been filed. The affidavit is also on record, my lord.
Where is the proof of your service?
My lord, the affidavit, my lord, starts at page number 80, my lord, 80.
Yes, I'm going through it. Where's the proof, signature and all that?
Yes. My lord, at page 87, my lord. At bottom, my lord, 18/3/2025, there is a seal received.
18/3/2025.
Yes, my lord, at bottom, my lord.
Whose seal is this?
My lord, AIIMS, my lord, All India Institute of Medical Science, Assam. Received 18/3/2025. And at top, my lord, it's written after service on respondent number 7 is also written.
Yes. So why is it listed today?
My lord, they have not filed the affidavit, my lord. The state. The issue is such, my lord, that I am a doctor in the Department of Anatomy. I had applied for the post of anatomy in AIIMS. Despite completing my bond period and the regulation of 15 years, they have not released me the NOC. This honorable court was kind enough to allow me to participate in the examination and the interview, and thereafter the result has been withheld. So if they file the affidavit, I may be allowed to join if they after the court's order. If I get the if the court is of the opinion that I'll be eligible for NOC, then I'll be able to join the post of anatomy. Because they have not filed the affidavit, the matter has been stalled.
Lordship, we will need some time to obtain our instructions. I had mentioned in the morning as well, Lordship, if your Lordship remembers. Moreover, Lordship, this case has come after 1 year, almost 1 year. We'll need to obtain an updated instruction as to what is happening.
When can you obtain?
Lordship may give us 2 weeks time at least, if possible.
Regarding spot number 7, it's already there.
Yes. The
last
others.
court's order also has already mentioned about that.
Yes, my lord.
Please write notice upon respondent number 7 is complete. Since respondent number 7 has received the notice served by way of Dasti on 18/3/2025, which is indicated in the affidavit filed by the petitioner at Annexure 2. Next, madam, Mr.
Lordship may record B. Gogoi's report.
B. Gogoi,
Lordship.
not at standing counsel, appearing for the
Health
Department. A brief warrant is granted for the 2 weeks time. Obtains up-to-date instructions in the matter. List again on so and so.
Much of them.
Lordship, then.
Madam, I have an interim that may be continued, madam.
Interim order passed earlier, so continue.
On the first date only.
What interim order?
That the result would not be declared.
That was not continued in the last order.
It was because they were supposed to given thereafter, they did not. It was continued, madam. The SPO shall not publish the result of the interview until further orders is issued by the court. So it is in a way, my lord, been.
So that is that continuation is not required. It says until
My
further
lord.
orders.
Yes, ma'am.
Not required.
Lordship.
My lord, in this case, I appear for respondent number 5, my lord, 5/6. My lord, we need some time to file our affidavit.
In respect of respondent number 7, the service is deemed to be complete. Lordship may produce the office note in the IA, that is 27/1/26, and in the main writ petition, it is 17/10/25.
Please write upon perusal of the Lavazima court's order dated 27/1/2026. Notice on respondent number 7 is accepted to be complete. As paid for by Mr.
SP Sharma, ma'am.
SP Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the respondent numbers
5 and 6. Ma'am.
5 and 6. How much time should you require?
My lord, 3 weeks would do, man,
3 weeks time.
because there's a change in principle, man. Our rule is limited, my lord. It is a DHE who has to come up with the affidavit.
Well, objection to VI. Just again on so.
Lordship, there are interim orders passed. That may be possible.
Same order passed today shall continue in the next day.
Obliged, Lordship.
My lord.
Yes. IAS forward.
I have heard. Excellent.
My lord,
Give us the main concept.
Direction, come. It has it. I have it. No, wait. Which is the question? Complete the question. Interlocutory application has been filed, my lord, as per direction of the Honorable High Court, order dated 19/11/25.
Tell me, what kind of case have you filed? What kind of case have you filed? Is it not a contempt petition?
Yes. Contempt petition.
Contempt petition is generally filed by impleading the respondent by name.
Yes, my lord.
You have not impleaded that person. Who is that person? You just mentioned director and secondary.
No, my lord, here it is given, should, I have the, my lord, director is, name has been given already. At,
Mamata Hojai.
page 2, today's,
What is your good name?
Malakar, R.K. Malakar.
Mr. R.K. Malakar, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that this application is filed seeking the incorporation of the name of the Director of Secondary Education, Government of Assam, as the sole respondent.
That's it, yes.
As was directed by this court on 28/5/2025 and in 19/11/2025. Accordingly, incorporation of the name of the respondent is hereby allowed. IAS starts disposal. In the main event, in view of the order passed today, in IAC number 4214 of 2025, petitioner to file the amended post title in 2 sets before the registry of this court within 3 days. This is the matter again also. Short date. Give short date. 23.
23.
May I please your lordships? He repeatedly looks their lordships, Dosti as well as registered subsequently also. One of the council informed me he will appear was yesterday night, lordships.
Yes.
Lordships, subsequently, I also took steps, the affidavit also filed Lordship, Dosti service. Received a copy and one of the counsel told me he will appear, but received
How many respondents?
only one Lordships.
Okay.
An order is at page 20, start from page 23. And from relevant portion, start from paragraph 8, page 26. May I read, Lordship?
No, okay, not on the
Plus,
no reply.
from paragraph 8, Lordship, start from.
You have served by Dusty.
Dusty also, say, affidavit also filed, Lordship.
Where is the acknowledgement?
That page, Lordships, page 41. Bottom, Lordship, left side, fine.
41.
Lordships, my affidavit.
There's no page number.
I filed an additional affidavit, Lordship, regarding Dosti service, Lordships.
Receive. Yes,
Lordship.
Islam. This one. Forest Das. Who has received it?
Lordships, officials received Lordships of 17/10/25.
Where? Where that? Where's the proof?
My affidavit, Lordship, left side, bottom file.
Give him this. Point out. It's not paginated. Oh, I don't know. Any seal? Only signature?
Yes, seal is there,
Seal is there.
Lordships, page 41.
Seventeen, 10/25.
Lordships, page 41.
Okay, right, like this, Vista.
F.U. Borboya.
F.U. Borboya, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as permitted by this court, notice has been served to the sole respondent by way of Dusty. And an affidavit to that effect has been filed. On 30/10/2025. So upon perusal of the same, notice is accepted to be complete upon the sole respondent. So no one appears for the sole respondent today. And therefore, let the matter be listed again. Give a short break. Listed again on 24/2/2026. If no one appears for the respondent on the next date, court may pass. Court shall consider passing appropriate orders to secure the attendance of the respondent number to secure the attendance of the sole respondent.
The petitioner become infectious, because.
No, that is my petition. How can I they say that then
The
is?
petitioner has already left the invite, Dibrugarh University sometime in the year 2018, my lord, taking a
No,
years, my lord.
my lord. Your lordship kindly, I am the petitioner. I want, my lord, your lordship kindly say how the biased manner, my lord, Dibrugarh University acting against me, my lord. I'll just place that case, my lord. Your lordship kindly hear me. My lord.
No, in that case, my lord, if that is, my lord.
No, my lord, I
let the
just
matter
place
be
my lord.
admitted, my lord.
2017 is
Let
pending.
call for, my lord.
No, my lord, let me, I am the petitioner, my lord. I have a right to argue.
All right,
Yes,
all
sir,
right,
definitely.
okay. We'll hear the matter,
Well.
so required. Just.
I'll give the fact, man. Just, your lordship kindly hear me.
Surely, just a minute. Preliminary stage, he says that it is infructuous. You say it's not infructuous.
My lord.
So if he says it's not infructuous, then we'll have to hear the matter.
No,
What is the
definitely, my lord. But in that case, I may be giving some time to collect the original records of the inquiry proceeding, my lord.
My lord, is it from 2017 it is pending?
inquiry?
Inquiry, my lord.
You
These
appear
are bad-
for, you
sexual
appear for
harassment,
which
sexual
respondent?
harassment, my lord.
You appear for which respondent?
For the Dibrugarh University, my lord.
Dibrugarh University.
My lord.
I'll just give a fact, my lord. Your lordship kindly bear with me for a minute, my lord.
No, we'll hear you, but the thing is that
No,
this
because,
is this is a matter regarding to disciplinary proceeding.
no, my lord.
The inquiry proceeding is for sexual harassment, my lord.
That is the case, my lord. I am just, my lord.
Any order passed?
Yes, my lord.
Any
That's why,
punitive
my
order
lord.
passed?
Any order pass, I want to get rid of this stigma. I am a dean of my lord, faculty of my lord, commerce in Dibrugarh University. Under me, my lord, one my lord, research PhD scholar, file a application before the authority to change the guide.
Okay. This is a
That
case-
is been treated as a my lord sexual harassment. Can
Okay.
it be done, my lord?
This is a case of sexual harassment according to them,
My lord,
and they've passed some stigma order.
my lord, that I want to
You-
get rid of this. That is
that
right now.
you're
this-
challenging. You want to erase that.
Yes, my lord, that is my case, my lord.
Okay. And on what basis you are saying it's infructuous?
Infructuous, my lord.
Because they've gone somewhere else.
He has already left the Dibrugarh
is not
University,
the
my
issue
lord,
here, my
by
lord.
taking VRS, my lord.
No, see, okay, but the thing is that even if he goes away,
My lord.
the stigma
No.
which is attached
My lord.
that you are so and so, whatever it may be,
My lord.
it remains.
That
So he wants to clear the
It is up
record.
to him, up to him, my lord. It is up to him. Whether
No,
he
no, my
wants
lord,
to-
your
He wants to clear his name, that's all.
My
So we'll have to hear the matter.
My lord, so far,
And
I'm concerned, I'm appear on behalf of respondent number 5, the complainant here.
complainant.
Yeah.
Now, my lord, I have recently appeared, so the service has been complete, my lord, a few days back only. So therefore, I believe that I should file an affidavit in opposition in this.
When can you file it?
Lord, your lordship may give 4 weeks time.
You have appeared recently only. How come this is a matter of 2017?
Yes, but then, my lord, your lordship will find there is an. Well, we have filed our Wakalat on 9/9/2025.
So since then also, I think
Yes.
10, 11, 12, 3 months, 4 months have lapsed, have passed.
That's true, my lord. Your lordship may accommodate us for 3 weeks' time. In the meantime, we can file it.
But what I don't understand is, although the matters of 2017. you
My
said
lord, that because of
you
my
have
lord,
recently engaged only.
anyway, my lord, probably he is received notice, my lord.
Pending, my lord.
And very interestingly, my lord, after filing this complaint, very next day I resigned, my lord. From very next day, I have no interest regarding merit, my lord. But I want to get rid of the stigma because that is their aim and object, my lord. So if I out from that university, then their illegal activity can be continued, my lord. That is the case, my lord. So that is why I am submitting that repeatedly that this is not infructuous,
All right, okay. So we'll give them some time.
my
We'll
lord.
fix a date.
But it is already shock, my lord, your lordship, kind of 2017, my
And
lord.
What to do?
My lord.
Readings are not yet complete, so we'll have to give some time, but we'll not give a long date. We'll give a short date. And you feel that the records will be required.
But that, my lord.
Okay, you get the records then.
That for that action, I'm paying for.
Mr.
Record, I don't think the record is
Senior
required, my
counsel,
lord.
Assisted by Miss P. Sharma appears for the petitioner. While Mr. University Counsel, your good name, please.
NC does.
NC does.
NC Das, learned senior counsel, assisted by
J.
J. Boisha appears for the respondent,
1
to 4.
1 to 4, my lord.
numbers 1 to 4. Bracket Dibrugarh University.
My lord.
Now, Mr. S. Dattal and senior counsel assisted by Ms. S. Nusari appears for the respondent number 7. Sorry, respondent number 5. And submits that may be given some time to file counter affidavit in the matter. Since they have filed their power not very long ago. So, next para, considering the fact that the matters of the year 2017, that the matter be listed. By which time can you file?
No, can I do field on 30th of March?
March?
No, sorry, my lord, it can be on 27th February.
Why not on a hearing date? So that we can,
That's convenient for your lordship.
let the matter be listed on 26th of February 2026.
No, my lord, not 26, my lord, maybe 27, my lord, 26 or lots of matter takes, my lord, in court number 1, my lord.
On reopening, if there's a 3-4 days are there.
5th of?
5th of March.
My lord.
We listed on 5th of March. The respondent number 5 shall file the counter affidavit on or before the next date. With copy of the same in advance to the other side. You might want to file a reply also.
No, my lord, if required, because on the law point also, my lord, I can argue, but even required, record is also not required, affidavit is also not required.
You can file by which time, Mr. Datta? Today is 2nd.
It is said.
I can file it on by 23rd.
Okay, respondent number 5 shall file the counter affidavit on or before the 23rd of February 2026 with a copy of the same in advance to the other side. So the petitioner will be at liberty to file a reply affidavit to the same, if so advised. On or before the next date fixed. This is the matter on 5th of March 2026. Mr. N.C. Das, learned standing counsel, Dibrugarh University shall also produce the relevant records.
Get right by.
On the next. After a long time.
My lord.
Last listing was 20.
Last listing on 10/3/2023, my lord.
No, 21/11/2023. Have you filed a reply?
No, that is very unfortunate, my lord. Honorable courts, the learned council for the education department stated that a similar matter and affidavit in opposition has been filed and it is submitted to elementary education would be rely on affidavit in opposition file. In view of the said submission, court permits the said affidavit to be relied upon the petitioner. However, to ensure that petitioner does not suffer in future, the petitioner is permitted to file reply. So in the alternative education, so I have not received it. They did not serve me, my lord. A copy of the said affidavit furnished to the learned counsel for the petitioner within 2 days. And they have not provided me.
From where are you reading that? Which order?
Yes, sir. This order, my lord.
Order dated?
Order dated 26/4/2023, my lord. Second paragraph, my lord.
Right.
And last paragraph, my lord.
You have not received a copy of the.
No, I have not received a copy of that. Just standing counsel submitted the same, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, matter is, my lord, if your lordship permit me, my lord. Matters is all are, my lord, as a assistant teacher, Hindi teacher, my lord. And they are working till today and their school was provincialized. But their post was not provincialized. And my lord, there we challenge before lordship. Annexure 6 page 41. Your lordship.
Mr. Bora, you get a copy of the counter affidavit.
My lord.
Then you will file your reply if you want.
The 2018 matter, my lord. Till today, they did not serve me. What affidavit they file, I don't know, my lord.
Which department is this? Elementary?
Elementary education department.
Who's appearing for elementary?
So, my lord, on merit, my lord, we are not on the basis of my record. Your lordship go through it, my lord. If one of my
Elementary, anyone? Yeah, Mr. Sukia is there.
You are, hey, sir,
You matter.
elementary to be no niki.
Item 14.
এখন জেলাটা কোথায়? অভিযোগ কি দিয়েছে? মুখ আছে ম্যাডাম Entrap X is recorded on 10/2022.
What is the position of these people? Can you have to gain authority?
ডেটাটা লো নয় কোথায় কি হবে সাইড কি হবে
Individual KD for this representation. Department.
কেতিয়া
No, আগৰ এটা order আছিলে যে all against to. মানে in this case, another set of people has already approached this honorable court by filing WPC 3597/2021.
Correct, that is what we are saying.
In that case, petitioners were directed to file individual representation. In that case, this case also, they may be directed to file separate.
Where is the order? Show me the order.
3597.
Already disposed of.
Disposal.
I think that case and my case is different, my lord. I am on go through the, my lord, the rules as well as, my lord, the rights of children free compulsory education 2009.
In that case, I may give some time to file our affidavit. Otherwise, my instruction is that, this case is similarly to that repetition WPC 3597.
See, the order of 26/4/2023 says, Mr. R. Mazumdar, Lanet Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, submits that in a similar matter, an affidavit of opposition has been filed, and it is submitted, the Elementary Education Department would rely on the affidavit of opposition filed in WPC number 351/2023. So submission already was made that is a similar matter. And he will be relying upon that affidavit. Let us see, we'll get it listed along with this. How? There was the order dated 26/4/2023. Wherein it was submitted that. No, wherein it was submitted on behalf of the Elementary Education Department that no separate affidavit will be filed. Since a similar matter, that is WPC number 351 of 2025.
23, man.
351 of 2023.
Specifically mentioned the copy of the affidavit be furnished to the learned council for petition of.
Had been responded to by filing of counter affidavit. And therefore, the same would be relied upon in this case as well. Of Mr. N. Bora, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner submits that a copy of the counter affidavit has not been furnished to him till date. Next paragraph of let the matter be listed again. On Monday, Tuesday. On 10/2/2026, along with WPC number 351 of 2023. You just examine and if it's a sale matter, be ready with the additional extra copy. To make sure.
Much less.
We have received instruction from a client that we want to withdraw this lordship. We don't want to press this. Yes.
Your good name?
J Das.
Mr. J. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that he has been instructed by his clients not to press the matter. Mr. D. Upamani, learned standing counsel,
Higher Education.
Higher
Department.
Education Department,
Correspondence 1, 2, 3.
appearing correspondence 1, 2, and 3. There's no objection to the three. In view of the writ petition stands for disposed of as not pressed.
Highly obliged.
May please, your lordship, this is a very old pending matter 2018. Lordship, kindly produce the order dated 28/11/2018. Lordship.
Well, in this case, my instruction is that he challenged, noticed whereby he was, asked to vacate the school premises illegally occupied by him. In the meantime, I have instructions. He has already left the school premises. He voluntarily he left the
Take
school.
instruction for that, lordship.
So if that is the
that's
case,
what
petition has become infractions.
That's why, lordship, lordship, I'm requesting lordship to produce the order dated 28/11/2018. Lordship.
Six and 7. Administrators are your school is incoming.
So what do you want to do?
Lordship, regarding this instruction, lordship, that has not been placed since then, lordship. The proposed pension proposal that has not been released yet, lordship. And regarding the eviction from the premises, in that case, lordship, I have to take instruction, lordship.
Regarding my lord, there is no such prayer in the writ petition regarding pension. Only he has challenged that notice. Regarding,
let us see.
Your lordship may kindly see page 12.
12 is the prayer, lordship.
Prayer.
This is an extra F.
Yes, your lordship. That is the my lord notice. Page 27.
Please write challenge made by the petitioner is to the communication dated 23/7/2018. Bracket an extra F of the writ petition by which he has been directed to vacate the school premises which is said to have occupied illegally. And also for removal of the cattle from the boundary of the school. So, Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma.
For
Learned
respondent number 6 and 7.
Council appearing for respondent number 6 and 7 submits that as per the instructions received by him, the petitioner had already left the school premises, and therefore the matter has become only infructuous. So, on the other hand, Miss
M. Nirola Lordship.
M.
Nirola Lordship, my name is not there.
Nirola,
Yes, Lordship.
you are appearing for somebody?
Yes, Lordship, I'm appearing for Mr. PG Saikia Lordship.
M. Nirola, learned counsel appearing for Mr. P.J. Saikia, submits that since the matter has been listed after a considerable period of time, she does not have the up-to-date instructions. That view of the matter, let the matter be listed today. On 13.
13-2. 1-2.
Obviously.
Learned counsel for the petitioner shall obtain up-to-date instructions on that date. In other words, as to whether the petitioner has vacated the premises of the school or not.
Plus.
May it be pleases you, Lordship. Here, your Lordship, on careful scrutiny, it has been observed that there certain lacuna and ambiguities exist in the document of and service records presently available with the department. The issues involved are of a critical nature and records are not synchronized, owing to which the department has not been able to arrive at suitable and well-reasoned decision at this stage. In order to ensure proper appreciation of facts and to arrive at a judicious decision, the department accordingly conducted one hearing, your lordship, of the petitioner along with the concerned official with reference to the relevant records, including those in possession of the petitioner on 10 February 2026. After completion of the said hearing, through appraisal of all relevant documents and records. So, your lordship, thereafter, one date may be given, your lordship. I would like to place it.
In this case, Lordship kindly produce 24/3/2023 order passed by this honorable court, Lordship. 24/3/2023 order.
Twenty-four, 3.
2023.
Yes, then.
Then Lordship file representation, Lordship, before the director on 17 April and that is still pending, Lordship. Now they have produced that instruction that on 10th, Lordship, they are taking some hearing, Lordship. They will going to take some hearing.
It will stand.
So should we keep it pending or can we dispose it?
Pending, Lordship, otherwise,
Your Lordship, because hearing will be conducted on 10th.
Lordship, can you fix a date after that, Lordship? After
That
10.
was the order dated 24/3/2023. By which brief facts of the case have been recorded. So today is Idas.
He does.
What is standing council? Secondary education. By producing letter dated. What is the date of the letter?
Today it has been issued, Your Lordship, early morning. Today, Your
Without
Lordship.
signature.
Yes, Your Lordship.
How
Soft
can we
copy.
take this into account?
Soft copy. 2 copy has been given, Your Lordship, which is just like that only. Signature. The Hiripa is a joint secretary. Ratipa is. Number is a number, dear. This is a letter issue number.
Only the number
Reference number has been given, Your
given,
Lordship.
one number, letter number, Lordship.
Letter number.
Submits that as per the instructions received by her. The hearing is due to be conducted on 10 February 2026.
Reference number to DD labor.
And accordingly placed that the matter be posted again after that date. Considering the same, let the matter be listed on.
Picture?
Entry. 2020.
10-3.
Yes.
The department, the respondent, you are appearing for which respondent?
I'm appearing for secondary. 1, 2. No, elementary. I'm
Secondary.
appearing for 1,
Secondary. Secondary.
3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4.
The secondary education department shall file an affidavit by the next day. Incorporating the
Good instruction, I said. Tell you if it could find 15 on matter.
the process of the hearing conducted and the steps taken thereafter. List again on sunshine.
Obliged, Lordship.
I'm deeply obliged.
How many letters were there? You see it, that will come first time. You see.
For orders, item 1, I Civil 1 of 2026 pertaining to Aizawl Bench.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I would like to tender my sincere apologies. I have not included the judgment in order of the connecting writ petition in the matter. If I may be allowed to withdraw this with liberty to file a fresh within 1 week's time, I will file, Your Lordship.
No, last time, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Last time, I had noticed that, so I'd asked the additional AG to produce the judgment.
Yes.
And now the judgment is before me, it has been produced.
Yes, I was under the impression that Your Lordship, yes, we have already furnished the judgment. But I was under the impression that it might be better if I have incorporated the steps already taken and the steps yet to be taken so as to be precise.
Judgment is here, your application is already there. What else do you require?
I would like to incorporate the steps taken and then the steps yet to be taken in the matter, Your Lordship.
But that has been explained in your affidavit, in your application.
Yes, not specifically, but generally, yes.
Okay. So what do you want to do? Withdraw and file again?
Yes, Your Lordship, with liberty.
Okay. That's paid for by Ms. Mary L. Campbell and Governor Advocate, they pay for the applicants. The area stands disposed of as withdrawn, with liberty to file a press. Inside my state.
I'm deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
In this case, my lord, what happened was, my lord, I was relying upon a direction of the decision of this honorable court, my lord. In 2003, my lord, where, my lord, the petition, my lord, those who were dropped teachers, my lord, who were provincialized later on, my lord, they were held to be entitled to, my lord, for their past services were held to be entitled to be calculated for the purpose of pension. Now, my lord, there was a recent judgment, my lord, I'm told, my lord, where Purnima Horo, my lord, which the department was also trying to rely upon the last occasion. That decision has been challenged before before the honorable division bench, madam. That writ appeal is pending, madam. It's fixed on 24th of March next month, madam, next month, madam. So, my lord, maybe that, perhaps because of that, my lord, the matter, my lord, maybe.
You have the case number?
My lord, case number, yes, my writ appeal number, my lord. 303 of 300. Oblique, my lord, I'll just. 300 of 2023, my lord.
300?
Up to 2023.
300.
300, yes, ma'am. Of 2023. It's Indreshwar Gogoi.
Writ appeal.
Writ appeal, my lord.
Okay, number will suffice, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
The number is correct.
Yes, that's correct, ma'am.
Mr. M. Udatta, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that writ appeal number 300 of 2023.
Sorry, 25, my lord, sorry, 25.
Okay, 300 of 2025.
Yes.
On the same subject matter is pending consideration by the division bench. And the same is likely to be listed on
24th of March, madam.
24th of March, 2026. So we therefore submit that the present case will be listed after that date.
Right.
In view of above, will the matter be listed in April? Be listed on 2nd April 2026.
Diplomat, sure.
SK Lady Learned Counsel appears for respondent number 5. While Mr. U. Sharma appears for the Secondary Education Department.
Oblige, your lordship.
My lord, this is pertains to arrears entry. My lord, kindly see the order dated 27/6/2025. There is a direction to complete within 28. Kindly see the latest order, my lord, 10/11/2025.
Yes.
They are saying that
Your claim is regarding area salaries.
area salaries.
Is it quantified or period?
Period is quantified, area is not disputed. They have processed it, it is under sanctioning. It is under process of sanctioning, my lord. It is, they admitted it, my lord. Proposal has been already submitted. Yes, kindly see the last order, my lord, because.
Who are the respondents? I've seen all the orders. What last order?
There is no dispute on that.
Right. Who are the respondents?
The respondent, my lord, secondary education, my lord.
Yes. Ms. Musahari, what are you going to say today?
Lordship, the instructions awaited from the state
Been awaited
government.
for the last how many months?
Lordship, it was last time the proposal was sent on August, your lordship. But-
So now we're in February,
Yes, your lordship.
then
I had inquired, your lordship, but then they have not sent me any instructions till date, your
we have it next week again.
lordship.
Can we have it next week?
Next week, your lordship, yes.
Come up with the status.
Yes, yes, your lordship.
There was the order dated.
Otherwise, my lord, they have sent to the, before the finance matter, the last occasion they submitted it. It is now lying before the finance matter.
So you know very well where is pending with this. Amount is 4,29,000, 091.
Yes, ma'am.
In the period between 26, 2015 and 28 to 2017. This is already recorded.
Finance.
না আপনার লোকে কইছে
What did I say? There was the order dated 12/3/2025. And the subsequent orders. From Ms. D. Musari, learned counsel appearing for the secondary education department. Submits that she is yet to receive the up-to-date instructions. And prays for a short time. We give up list again.
Lordship.
Ms. D. Musari shall apprise the court for the latest position by the next day.
Bless.
Obligation.
26.
None appears for the petitioner on this one. Affidavit not filed?
Not yet.
No.
Some time we will have to find out if it will. We have
Say
to
for
see
what?
instructions.
Appears for the elementary education department. Then place for further time. To file contract with the where the law. This stuff, after 3 weeks. Missed again also. And today.
27. Instructions like that.
Lordship, in this case, actually, I have annexed one judgment, my lord, which is covered by this school.
Lordship, we have received our instructions. Lordship will allow us, we have received our instructions. We'd like to file our affidavit. A week's time may be given, your lordship, then.
Then after 1 week, my lordship kindly fix it. Because cases relates to the same which I have been annexed, my lord, the last order pays
Which one?
100, my lord. Only school's name is different, my lord.
100.
Yes, 100. 100.
You say it's covered.
Covered, squarely covered, they know.
That's right, Ms. K. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Published that the case of the petitioner is squarely covered by the judgment in order dated 7/4/2025. Commonly passed in number of writ petitions.
Yes, ma'am.
And the lead case being WPC number 3224 of 2024. Which is annexed as Annexure 12 to the writ petition. So Ms. D. Musari, learned counsel appearing for the secondary education department, submits that she has received the instructions and prays for a short time to file the counter affidavit. See, if you drop the counter affidavit, you again send it back
2 weeks, your lordship.
for waiting. Again, you'll come.
Yeah.
1 week will be sufficient.
Lordship, 2 weeks.
Huh?
2 weeks, your lord.
As a last chance, my lord,
So,
because they
like-
took several times.
When you take time, you should take it responsibly. There's no
Yes,
point
my
again
lord.
asking for another time again and again.
Lordship.
Fix a date, my lord.
You are therefore,
Yes, my lord, I am for
Council.
council, my lord, respond both, my lord, now.
what is your submission?
My lord, we have submitted our instruction, my lord, on before this honorable court on 2/6/2025, my lord.
How you have submitted?
Yes, my lord, we will also file our affidavit.
Similarly, Mr. D.K. Roy, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Respondent numbers 4 and 5. Place for some time to file for affidavit. Will be a proper, let the matter be listed. Give a date. For 2 weeks. On 5/3/2026.
Obliged.
Item 13.
But this is regarding payment of GPF and GPF, GIS and leave encashment benefit of the petitioner, my lord, the retired persons. The by last order, the respondent number 4 and 5, that is the college authority, and the GPA were directed, and they have taken decision to forward the papers, and the petitioner has been called also for completion of the papers. Brief, Devoni.
Also, already the governing body has resolved to release all the pensionary benefit, retirement benefit. And the resolution, my lord.
After resolution, what is to be done?
Lordship, already we have prepared the documents and requested the petitioner to visit the office of the principal for putting his signature. And we are waiting for him.
Thereafter, the
Once he
government,
visits the office of the principal, lordship, after putting his signature, immediately we send it.
What steps are supposed to be taken?
Only for putting his signature in the documents so that we can proceed.
Whose signature?
Of the petitioners, my lord.
petitioner's signature.
Give the signature, what is there?
My lord, for the purpose of sending his documents, my lord, his signature is required.
So I'm asking the counsel for the petitioner, give your signature.
Yes, yes, I am.
Yes, sir. You will go to the college and put the signatures, my lord.
Already put.
Not yet. Only the day before they started, perhaps they have sent the letter.
Mr. Your good name?
B. Burman, my lord.
Mr. B. Burman, learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Submits that the governing body of Nirmal Alloy College, Patachar Kuchi, has resolved to grant the petitioner the retirement benefits as admissible to him in law. Now, it is now for the petitioner to give his give his signature on the relevant documents as a token of acceptance.
They will send the documents to the higher authority, my lord. And thereafter, the authority will sanction the.
And thereafter, the documents will be sent to the respondent authorities concerned for further process.
It may be disposed of, my lord, with direction that on receipt of the papers, the authority will sanction the amount.
Your good name, please?
A.C. Sharma, my lord. My lord.
Your name?
A.C. Sharma.
AC.
A.C.
Mr. AC Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has no difficulty in giving his signature, which he will do, which he will give eventually. So he submits that the respondent authorities may be directed to take necessary to undertake necessary process to enable the petitioner get the pension. As far as entitled.
Pension, my lord. Provident fund, GIS, and my lord, the leave investment.
Leave encashment.
Not pension, you right?
Pension
Retirement
already
benefits.
sanctioned.
Retirement
DPF,
benefits.
GIS, and leave investment.
Retirement benefits, which includes GPF, GIS, and leave encashments within a time frame. Can you just read that sentence? Counsel for the petitioner submits that. So we can dispose it of.
Plus, position.
You are there also.
Yes, madam, we are AG, madam.
AG.
After sending, madam, GPF part is, we are hindering, madam. And the proposal will be sent to the accountant general, madam, for GPF, madam. And other part, madam, the government department, the GIS, they will see.
Now, whom should we direct at this stage?
At this stage, my lord, the college authority will send the concerned respondent, my lord, is regarding GPF and GIS, madam.
Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel appearing for the Accountant General Assam, submits that. Once the matter reaches the establishment of the Accountant General, necessary steps will be taken up. That will be taken. That's per requirement. Next, we are considering the above position. The writ petition is disposed of by directing the college authorities to send the relevant documents to the office of the director.
Director of Higher Education.
Higher Education Department. Bracket respondent number 2. Within.
Once he puts his signature, my lord.
As soon as the petitioner puts
Yes,
the
madam.
signature.
Okay, as soon as the petitioner subscribes his signature on the relevant documents. Stop the Director of Higher Education Department shall take necessary follow-up action as may be required in law thereafter without delay.
Obliged.
Much trouble.
None appears for the petition. The matter spoken. You are there?
Yes.
Michelle Kupan, Learned Council for the
Elementary department.
Elementary Education Department. Raise for some more time. File conflict affidavits, there is a lot of listing of the changes. You are there.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I am sorry, item number 26, my name may be recorded, but it's unfortunately could not appear when matters called. Item 26, no, page 93.
26, what did I say? Okay, you right, Mr.
Happy Govi.
Nephew, more we are honest, that has come. Instead of non-appears.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, the respondents has filed their affidavit. Lordship, I was told by one of the respondents.
I am for the respondent number 326, Your Lordship. I have filed my affidavit in opposition. However, in one annexure, there is some mistake. A liberty may be granted. I want to withdraw this and file afresh with the correct annexure, Your Lordship. Page number 71 is incorrect. Or may be granted to file additional affidavit to bring in the.
File additional affidavit. How do we withdraw an affidavit? You've already sworn it. Counsel for the respondent numbers.
Lordship, one more prayer is there. For one of the petitioner, I have seen some information which has come to my knowledge later on that he has provided me a false information. So on that aspect, I have sent a withdrawal notice to him. So I also may be allowed to file a affidavit so that I can withdraw for that particular petition number 1.
For that, you don't need permission. Do you require permission?
I will, because yes, it is not delivered yet. I'll file it.
Learned counsel for the respondent numbers.
326, Your Lordship.
3 to 6 submits that. Although an affidavit position has already been filed by the said respondents. He represents, but he may be allowed to file an additional affidavit in opposition since some
Annexure A, page number 71 is.
documents have been omitted.
No, wrongly submitted, wrongly annexed, your lordship.
Some documents have been wrongly submitted. Considering the same letter. Not consider, cancel that. What is that wrongly submitted?
Your lordship, the petitioner number 2 is of BA third semester, your lordship. But inadvertently, I have annexed page number 71, your lordship. Annexed the copy of BA's 5th semester.
His own certificate only.
Lordship,
Which one? Which one? Show me.
page number 71.
71.
Yes, your lordship.
Documents belong to the petitioner only.
Yes, no, lordship. It is a BA 5th and 6th semester. Attendance register, I'm for the college. This is the attendance register, your lordship.
71.
71, your lordship.
It has been renumbered. Okay, you have to check up.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, new page number is
Your
82.
lordship, this one.
What is wrong here?
BA 5th and 6th semester, it should have been BA 3rd semester. We should have annexed the attendance register of the BA 3rd semester, your lordship. Showing his attendance, your lordship. That we have collected, your lordship. We want to file an additional affidavit, or we may be allowed to withdraw this and to file a fresh.
No, it's okay. Let it remain. What is there to withdraw? You are supposed to give the 7th semester,
3rd semester.
3rd semester. So the learned counsel referring to annexure A of the counter affidavit. Filed on 25/11/2025 at page 82. Submits that instead of annexing the students' attendance for the third, you say third,
Should have been 3rd. It has been.
third semester. Subject is okay?
Subject is okay.
The attendance of 5th and 6th semester has been annexed instead. Stop, therefore, he requires to file the additional affidavit. Or stop, the prayer for filing additional affidavit is allowed. List again on source.
Can it be on 13th of February, your lordship?
Why?
In the meantime, we'll file and they'll file the reply, your lordship.
I'll also file my reply. Lordship. Interim order is.
There's an interim order.
Yes.
Lordship.
Give a date. What is convenient?
13th home.
16th, yes.
List again on 16th.
But I'm for 7 and 8, man.
Your good name?
7 and 8.
Your name?
H.A. Ahmed.
Mr. H.A. Ahmed, learned counsel appears for respondent numbers 7 and 8.
I'm for 2.
And Mr.
Respondent number 2. R.C. Alam. R.C. Alam.
R.C. Alam appears for respondent number 2. Any interim order?
Yes, interim order is it.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of this.
What's up?
Lordship, I am extremely sorry. I am item 31, Lordship. My name may be recorded, Lordship. J.M. Sulaiman.
Huh?
Item 31. Lordship.
What is your name?
J.M. Sulaiman on behalf of Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary. Lordship.
On behalf?
Of H.R.A. Chaudhary, Mr.
Your good name?
J.M. Sulaiman.
James, you record his name, James Sulaiman. Learned counsel appears on behalf of Mr.
H.R.A. Chaudhary.
H.R.A. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel.
Lordship.
For the petitioner. Still none appears, right? Consent. All right.
Of this.
It is to recovery of excess royal after retirement. The petitioner retired from his service on 31/3/2024, and a recovery was made after his retirement in the year 2025. Last occasion, MS H. Tirangi perhaps she took time to.
Yes, where is he?
Instruction,
Yes, Shriranki. He appears for whom?
Lordship, I am for the secondary education department. but-
Secondary, yes, you are there.
Yes,
So,
but Lordship, as per my instruction, matter fall, which place, no?
ME school.
Matter would fall under the elementary education department. So I am calling my friend Lordship. Yes. Elementary. Elementary show one. নাই কাভাৰটো গম দেখে সেকেন্ডাৰী এডুকেশ্যন বুঝা কথা এটো এলিমেন্টারি নেকি এলিমেন্টারি
The police officer.
যে এলিমেন্টারি
Elementary should have been the main part in the process, direct or elementary.
not direct of secondary.
The petition also accepted.
yes, Mr. Sakya, why did you plead secondary?
It was copy paste.
Ah, that's good. Yes, straightforward answer.
Yes.
So you'll file an application?
Yes,
You
my
plead
lord.
them?
My lord.
Mr. I. Sakya, Learned Counsel, submits that you may be allowed to file an IA. We plead the Director of Elementary Education Department, since the same is the relevant department. Praise the Lord. Minister Gain?
Next week, I'll file tomorrow, my lord.
Give a date, but
Mag strike out koi.
Oblige, my lord.
Back, please, your lordship. So this matter relates to non-profit selection service of the petitioners. My lord, last occasion, the learned standing house in education department sought time for taking instruction.
Lordship, this matter, his provincialization matter is to be placed before the joint sitting of finance department as well as the director of secondary education, Lordship, for finalization of the process, Lordship, because financial implication is there. So that meeting will be held shortly, Lordship. This is my instruction. I have received shortly. Recently, Lordship. Lordship, may record my instruction.
Mr. P.P. Datta, Learned Counsel for the Secondary Education Department, PTL, submits that on. Since the issue relates to provincialization of service, and there being financial implication from a joint sitting of the Secondary Education Department as well as the Finance Department.
And
Necessary.
and Department of School Education Department.
Three.
Yeah, two. The Finance Department and the Department of School Education.
That is secondary.
Secondary.
Instead of you write Education Department. And the Finance Department is necessary. And the same is likely to happen shortly. So be therefore praise for adjournment. How much time should you require for that?
Lordship, 4 weeks time may be given, Lordship.
Considering the submission. Matter stands adjourned, we will sit again on third.
On similar issue, my lord, another writ petition is pending. That matter may be tagged with this writ petition, my lord. On similar issue, my lord. In WPC 6664.
But what is the stage?
Same stage, only notice issued, instruction sought for.
Okay.
Same issue, my lord, on the same issue. So this matter may be taken along with this matter. 6664, WPC 6664
Of which year?
of 25. On the same date, both the petition were filed.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
N. Hawk.
N. Hawk submits that there is a similar writ petition pending on the same issue and prays for the same to be tagged with this writ petition. Considering the same, that this matter be listed again along with WPC number 666.
6664, 2020.
2025.
Oblast. 23. Oblast.
The petitioner has retired from service in 2020, 28th February 2020. Till date, Lordship, the pension has not been settled, neither gratuity has been paid, and he is a retired principal of the college. And departmental proceeding was initiated against him only for extension of annual maintenance contract and AMC, annual maintenance contract of the college for 3 years consecutively, the earlier contractor. That is why departmental proceeding was initiated. Ultimately, punishment has been imposed in 2021, that one increment will be decreased for extension of the contract for 3 years without tender process. And now, Lordship, he is not getting pension from since 2020. And I have already informed my learned friend, Lordship, standing outside.
My lord,
At least gratuity should be released.
yes, my lord, I have talked to the department, my lord. Kindly grant me 10 days time, my lord. Your lordship may fix in the next week, my lord. Because gratuity and final pension, that has to be paid. The concerned officer was on leave, so tomorrow she will resume duty. So I will get the up-to-date instruction, my lord. And rest, my lord, he is receiving the provisional pension and GIS, leave encashment benefit, those have been paid. Only the gratuity and final pension, my lord. So 10 days time may be granted. In the next week, your lordship may fix the matter.
My humble submission, Lordship, I have no objection to that effect. At least, Lordship, my gratuity that is lying.
Yes, my lord, I understand.
Within 10 days, gratuity amount should be released, Lordship.
Yes, madam. Your lordship may observe that in the order regarding the gratuity amount, so that I can obtain the instruction by the next week.
At least gratuity should be released, Lordship, within 10 days.
Mr. Deep. Mr. DP Bora, Learned Standing Council Health Department, submits that out of the pensionary benefits to be released to the petitioner, only the final pension and gratuity remains to be disbursed. And for which he needs at least 10 days time to seek instructions. Of Mr. S.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On the other hand, submits that petitioner retired from service on 20th of February 2020. And even after the DP, which was drawn, has been finalized in the year 2021, the final pension and the gratuity has not been released. So he submits that at least the respondent authorities will be directed to release the gratuity of the petitioner, entitled to the petitioner within the time frame. Next para, considering the above submissions. Please this matter now, appendix. On 18/2/2026. The respondent authorities concerned shall release the gratuity entitled to the petitioner within the next
Within
10
this,
days.
within next date, Lordship.
Within the next 10 days.
Obliged.
man.
May I please? My lord, here in this case, the petitioner retired from service on 31st March 21. This is the fifth number of writ petition, fifth round of litigation. With effect from, my lord, 1st January 13, the petitioner was found to be eligible for provincialization of his service, but that was not done. Subsequently, this honorable court has held that by the operation of law, his service already provincialized. Repeatedly they said that I am entitled to. That is not done. And in the meantime, I have retired from service. So therefore, my lord, I have filed this writ petition with a prayer for giving me the benefit of nationally, my lord. With the date, I am found entitled for provincialization till the up to my date of retirement.
You have not been provincialized
No.
during your service career.
No. Your lordship will find page 40.
Lordship, in this case, I'll file affidavit in opposition because his claim could not be entertained due to repealment of that earlier 2011 Act. Lordship. if his case is to be considered in 2017, for which he is not available.
Then this is
So
a
I'll-
question of law.
I'll file affidavit, Lordship, in this case.
The
I'll
day
write-
where I was in service, this law was in operation. Subsequently, it was repealed.
But from the review order, those who were protected, whose service were regularized and financial benefit were given. Chandan Kumar Neuk case, Lordship, in a review.
All right.
No, no,
Only
since
I will file
24, my
affidavit.
lord, affidavit is not coming, my lord. In the meantime, headmaster has filed his affidavit.
I'll file
He-
affidavit, Lordship, shortly.
Last chance.
Maybe, Lordship, within 1 week I'll file.
If it's a law point, then you file.
Yes,
Yeah, this is the thing.
yes,
This is
Lordship.
the reason why you cannot give. Let it be on record.
Okay,
1 week you can file.
Lordship,
Are you sure?
Lordship, Lordship,
Going and coming.
Lordship.
Don't say that I'm saying for betting and all that.
It is,
Acha.
আমার directory Kasar, 10 days, Lordship.
It has to be vetted, isn't it?
Now, let him be provided 15 days, my lord.
This is a system, isn't it?
No, no, I'll file, Lordship, I'll file.
No, no. Listen to me. You get instructions. You draft affidavit. Again, you send it back for waiting. So again, it has to come back to file. So it takes long time.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Let me file a more detail.
In fact, the system should be that
Yes.
after vetting, they should send it to you. So you draft and file.
Now it is what practice we have done. Earlier, there was not a pairwise comment was said to the learned council. On the basis of comment, he prepared the affidavit.
We have it.
No, the parawise comments normally in other places, it's vetted.
Yes.
Department prepares the parawise comments, it's sent for vetting to the law department. They'll vet it. After vetting, they'll send it back to the department concerned, who will again transmit it to the government advocate and then file it.
15 days, my lord, I have no objection, but
All right.
it
Mr.
must be
P.T.
ensured.
Dr. Learned Counsel for the Secondary Education Department submits that affidavit in a position is required to be filed. Considering the claim made by the petitioner and it plays for a short time. Mr. A.I. Uddin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, on the other hand, submits that case was filed in the year 2024 and no affidavit has been filed till date. And therefore expresses urgency in the matter. Considering the submissions, 15 days time is given to the Secondary Education Department to file their affidavit in opposition. As a last chance. List again on circle. Oblige. Huh? I think so.
তাহলে 25 দি দিয়া অসুবিধা নেই।
Okay. I think we'll move on.
Here in this case, my lord, in 2017, my lord, I obtained master degree. In 2024, I became the senior most teacher of the school and also eligible to hold the post of principal. In order to deprive me from holding the post of principal, they have initially appointed the IS to work temporarily. Subsequently, my junior, I approached the High Court. They have taken the plea that my MA degree was not valid since it was obtained from outside the state. That was their case in the first round of litigation. Subsequently, my lord, this honorable court held that my MA degree is valid and it cannot be questioned. Now they what says, my lord, in 2017, I have obtained MA degree when I was under suspension in connection with a criminal case, which was ultimately ended in final report. That the MA degree was obtained without permission of the departmental authority. Therefore, they have initiated a DP against me for, my lord, providing minor penalty. My lord. I have challenged the DP, my lord. Mainly on the ground of limitation along with others ground, I have specifically in paragraph 28 of my petition.
Now that petition is this one.
Yes.
Challenging the DP.
DP. Now my ground I have said in paragraph 28 of my petition. Now in this case, initially they were asked to file affidavit, they said within 2 weeks. And I am, my lord, going to be retired in the mid of 27. And because of the pending DP, my promotion is held up. Although I am entitled, my junior has been allowed to hold the charge of in-charge principal of my school.
What is the stage of the DP now?
No, DP, my lord, only notice issued.
Only that one.
2-3 hearing were there. I have filed my written statement also. I have said I have obtained permission. Here also I have annexed the document obtaining permission, showing that I have obtained the permission. And that too, it was, my lord, during the period of my suspension. So law is clear that if DT is affected, then he is not entitled. But at that particular point of time, I was under suspension. And that period, my lord, I have obtained this degree. But they, my lord, repeatedly they are taking time not filing affidavit.
Yes. When are you filing?
Your lordship, we need to file our affidavit, your lordship, but instruction is not with us. We have to, your lordship, again send your lordship later, your lordship, communication later, your lordship, to obtain instruction. So kindly 3 weeks time may be granted to us to file our affidavit.
Ground of challenge, paragraph 28, your lordship will find. Page 24.
Page 24.
Page 24, paragraph 28.
Where's the permission? Have you annexed it?
Yes, ma'am. Page 69. Endorsement, your in the bottom, your lordship find endorsement of the principal allowed to study.
But where's the original copy?
Original page 70.
Wow. In vernacular.
Yes. But the endorsement of the principal is in English. Allowed to page 70, your lordship will find allowed to study. Principal such and such.
Principal is the competent authority.
My immediate superior authority. So I have to apply. He has permitted.
Principal is a party.
Party.
Notice has gone. Who is
Notice,
appearing?
they have the government college for all the respondents, they have received.
Is it so?
Yes, principal, provincialized school.
Your lordship, instruction is not with us, your lordship.
No, not instructions. Are you appearing for everyone? Even including the principal?
No, principal, we are not appearing.
Provincialized school, every time in department.
Principal, we cannot.
Basic school, so you can't basic.
Your lordship, we are not appearing for principal.
The very first day my sister was there. A provincialized school, every time go, standing council is appearing.
No, your lordship, we are not appearing for principal. I'm appearing for 1, 2, 3, and 4.
But if you read, if you see the order dated 11/6/25,
Who appear person?
Ms. P. Das Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Yes.
No, your lordship.
Apart from you, is there any other P. Das?
No,
Standing
it's me
council.
only, your lordship, but here, your lordship,
Even-
principal, we cannot appear. The brief is also not with us, your lordship, we need to construct it. Hmm.
I have sent soft copy also to my sister. The first day she was there. Apart from hard copy.
No, no. এইটো নগাঁও হয় ন?
Nagaon.
Tanjani, Asamania, Higher Secondary School, District.
নাই মোক এতিয়া আৰু নাই।
So then, I think you'll have to take steps. Principal, normally they will not appear.
Normally, we do not appear process.
And that's what, no?
This is
They can
the
appear.
acceptance one.
Who?
They have accept notice for all.
No, I understand. The order is also there. There's an order here also.
Every time as a provincialized school, provincialized college,
No.
government student council is appearing.
Not it. Sometimes that order may be there, but it normally would not appear for the principal and headmaster's look.
Headmaster.
Please write the issue to be considered in the instant case is with regard to the legality of the department proceeding drawn against the petitioner on account of having pursued MA in Hindi.
Yes.
Without obtaining prior permission from the competent authority. Stop. It is otherwise the case of the petitioner that he had duly obtained permission from the principal of the school. Bracket respondent number 5 on 10/1/2014 for pursuing higher studies. And the same was allowed by the same authority.
Oh, equal
Stop. A copy of the permission granted is annexed as annexure 15 to the writ petition.
rights to mostly same.
Next para, although the government, the standing council for the secondary education department had accepted notice on behalf of all the respondents, including respondent number 5. But today, now that standing council, Ms. P. Das published that she will not be able to appear on behalf of the principal of the state school.
Five.
Considering the same, the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent. How will you take steps? Nagaon.
Nagaon registered post.
Bastille.
Because I am not in good term because he is my junior now. He is holding the post of.
Okay, okay.
Therefore, Dasti may not be possible.
To take steps of service of notice upon respondent number 5 by speed post within 3 days. Of the respondents, the shall file their affidavit on or before the next date. This matter, I think sometime in March. On 10th.
I am obliged.
Deeply obliged. Oh, uchi hui.
That's it, last week.
Oh, point PDF to diasun PDF to muk itte dia.
So when notices are issued, you should pay attention.
Yes, your
At least you accept notice on behalf of somebody whom you cannot appear later on. Isn't it?
more hoy.
Obliged.
Muk itte PDF to